Hi guys, Mathmaster here, and today we're going to be doing a math counts problem. So this one is Nationals 2010 Sprint problem number 28. So Maddie has an infinite number of balls and empty boxes available to her. The empty boxes, each capable of holding 4 balls, are arranged in a row from left to right. At the first step, she places a ball in the first box of the row. At each subsequent step, she places a ball in the first box of the row that still has room for a ball and empties any previous boxes. How many balls in total are in the boxes as a result of Maddie's 2010th step? Okay, so let's just draw a diagram. So I know the problem says that the boxes are arranged from left to right. I'm just gonna do it right to left because it doesn't really matter. Okay, so on the first step, one ball will go here. In the second step, one ball will go here. Similarly, in the third and fourth step, one ball gets added to the first box. So now when we get to the fifth step, so this box isn't capable of holding any more balls. So the next ball will go into this row, and we need to empty out everything in the previous ones. Okay, so 6, there's a box empty here, so we put it here. 7, one more here. 8, one more here. 9, one more here. Now the 10, once again, we put one here, and we erase everything there. So right now we have that the fifth step, there's one ball in the second urn and 0 balls in the first urn. And then the 10th, there's 2 balls in the second urn, the second box, and 0 in the first box. So this pattern continues. For example, 15th is 3 in the second, 0 in the first. 20th is 4, 0. But now when we get to the 25th, it can't be 5, 0 because a box isn't capable of holding 5 balls. So instead, let's draw out the 20th first. So it should be like this. So the 21st, put one ball here, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. So the 25th, both of these boxes aren't capable of holding anything. So I have to add one here. And then we have to remove the balls in the other ones. So that means that the 25th is 1 in the third, 0 in the second, and 0 in the first. So let's just look at the powers of 5 first. So the first step, there's 1 in the first urn. The fifth step, there's 1, 0. 25th step, there's 1, 0, 0. And let's say that this pattern continues. Okay, so now let's look at what we want to find. We want to find the 2010th step. So 2010, well, the power of 5, which is closest to this, is 625. So that will be 10000. So similar to here, if you multiply 5 by 2, then this becomes multiplied by 2 as well. So here, let's multiply this by 3. So then it becomes the 1875th step is 3 in the fifth urn and 0 in the rest. Okay, so the fifth urn is as far as we're gonna get. So there isn't gonna be any more balls in the infinite rest of the boxes, because 1875 is very close to 2010. Okay, so now let's just ignore this 3 and let's find how many steps we have left to take. So let's subtract 2010 from 1875. Okay, so 135. So we have 135 steps left to take. Okay, so now let's look at, similarly, let's look at the 125th step. So that will be 1 in the fourth urn and 0 in the rest. Okay, so this is good because if we add these two together, so 1875 plus 125 is 2000. So now we know that the 2000 has 3 in the fifth box, 1 in the fourth box, and 0 in the other 3. So now we're at 2000 and we need 10 more. Well, we see right here, we have 10 steps. So we just have to add these two numbers together. So we get that on the 2010th step, there are, let me just write this out because it's the answer. The 20th step, there is 3 balls in the fifth urn, 1 ball in the fourth urn, 2 balls in the third urn, 0 balls in the second urn, and 0 balls in the first urn. And then there's just a bunch of zeros on behind. Okay, so we want to find the sum of the balls. So this is very easy to calculate. 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 6. So this is our answer. Now there's a really easy way of doing this using something called bases, and if you don't know what bases are, well, I'm going to be talking about that in a future video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and comment down below, and I'll catch you in the next one.